Welcome to Daily Bible Benefits. Today is Thursday, August 1st. On this day in 1943, 177 B-24 bombers take off from Allied base in Libya, bound for the oil-producing city Philistia, Romania, nicknamed Hitler's gas station. The daring raid, known as Operation Tender Wave, resulted in 5 men being awarded the Medal of Honor, but they failed to strike the fatal blow its planners had intended. Today on the podcast, I'll be talking about a girl restored to life. Matthew chapter 9, verses 18 through 26. While he spake these things unto them, behold, there came a certain ruler and worshipped him, saying, My daughter is even now dead, but come and lay thy hand upon her, and she shall live. And Jesus arose and followed him, and so did his disciples. And behold, a woman which was diseased with an issue of blood 12 years came behind him, and touched the hem of his garment. For she said within herself, If I may but touch his garment, I shall be whole. But Jesus turned about, and when he saw her, he said, Daughter, be of good comfort, thy faith hath made thee whole. And the woman was made whole from that hour. And when Jesus came into the ruler's house, and saw the minstrels and the people making a noise, he said unto them, Give place, for the maid is not dead, but sleepeth. And they laughed him to scorn. But when the people were put forth, he went in, and took her by the hand, and the maid arose. And the fame hereof went abroad into all that land. Jesus permitted only 3 of his disciples, Peter, James, and John, the brother of James, and the father and the mother of the damsel, to go in with him, where the corpse lay. It was important that there should be witnesses of the miracle, and he chose a sufficient number. 5 witnesses were enough to establish the fact. These were the same disciples that were with him on the Mount of Transfiguration and in the Garden of Gethsemane. Thank you for tuning in to Daily Bible Benefits. Have a good and godly day.